Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in windy Wigan. Today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2020 70 Reg Range Rover Sport HSE. Now the HSE models come very well specified from the factory. This one's got some very nice tasteful modifications, or I should say factory options on top of the HSE specification. So the car itself is finished in this lovely Iger grey metallic paintwork, which is a lovely colour in the flesh. We've got a fantastic metallic fleck in that paintwork. Then factory options wise, we've got privacy glass to the rear. We're riding on these lovely 21-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels finished in the lovely gloss black. And then specification then follows through to the interior. But bodywork wise, a lovely car, truly cherished by the previous owners. You'll struggle to find any dents or dings. The vehicle's never really been driven in anger, so it's not riddled with stone chips on the front end. All the wheels are free from any curbs. So stepping through to the interior, inside is a lovely ebony black part perforated leather. So perforated in the centres just to allow the seat to breathe. Looking at the actual bolsters, they are in fantastic order. Interior doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's ever had any pets. But the HSE model, like I said, comes very well specified. So we've got the Meridian Surround Sound System. We've got three-way memory sport seats for the driver and the passenger. So ideal if you're looking to share the vehicle. If you want to be driver one, your partner can be driver two. Press of a button and that will fully adjust the seat, the steering column as it is fully electric, and the mirrors, which are also auto dimming and have the blind spot monitoring system. Fully adjust those to the way you like it. Now jumping inside, getting out of this wind. I do apologise if the audio is a bit windy. So factory options wise, we've got this lovely dark knurled aluminium trim all throughout the vehicle. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. We've got the panoramic glass sun roof, so you've got the power blind on that. You can fully close it up if you choose to do so, or you can keep it open. A lovely factory option which just keeps the interior nice and light all year round. Now obviously this is the newer Range Rover Sport, so you've got all the newer gadgets, the Range Rover Velar type infotainment screens. But the steering wheel itself, we've got this lovely bright silver band all around, part perforated just like the seats. We've got these nice gloss black inserts, and on those is our speed limiter, our lane assist, voice command, all of our Bluetooth and media controls are on there as well. We've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, we've got flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. We've got the lovely digital cockpit on this one, so I think that's a fantastic thing to have. Obviously on there you've got your display settings, your vehicle settings, vehicle information, media, assistance, trip computer, and the layout is fully adjustable. So if you want to see a full map, which is nice and easy when you're traveling through roads that you're not familiar with, that's just very nice and easy to follow. Coming through to the center display, you've got your satellite navigation, which is nice and responsive, very clear to use. You've got your media, so it's a full DAB radio with all the extended channels. You've got your Bluetooth phone there as well, so you've actually got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on the car, web browser, reversing camera on the car, making it nice and easy to reverse into parking spots. Then you've got your Bluetooth phone, 4x4 information, and your vehicle dimensions. So full main media on there. Then on the screen below, this is your vehicle driving settings as well as your climate control. So vehicle settings, you've got normal, on-road, eco, all-terrain, sand, mud ruts, and so on. You've got heated seats front and rear, which is fantastic for those colder mornings. We've got a heated front screen as well, and the full climate control system is very easy to use. We've got our gear shifter, we've got our traction control, we've got all of our drive select, which is super easy to use, electric parking brake, central armrest, which is in fantastic order. We've got a bit of storage there, and then underneath that you'll also find a cool box. You've got 2 USB ports, a micro SIM card input, and a 12-volt power outlet. Looking through to the rear, those seats again are in fantastic order. As I mentioned, we've got heated seats in the back with the lovely knurled aluminium trim which follows through. Down there you'll also find 2 5-volt power outlets for phone charging, nice and easy, and then you've got a bigger 12-volt power outlet as well. Looking at the seats themselves, again, no signs of any sort of nicks, rips, tears, discoloration. We've got Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. You've got this nice pull down tab, so central armrests, nice bit of storage, 2 cup holders. What more do you want? And then coming through to the boot, another fantastic factory option, and makes this car very, very desirable when it comes to sort of resale. This is the 7-seat model, so you've got an extra 2 seats in the boot. Obviously they're fully electrically adjustable via the buttons on the side just there. Obviously because the car's on air suspension, you can lower the back end, making it nice and easy for you to load your shopping in. But I've kept 1 seat down, 1 up, just so you get an idea of boot space when doing both. So with the seats up, you've still got plenty of room there to put a few shopping bags in, and then obviously with the seats down, you've got a big size boot. And the whole operation only takes a matter of seconds. Down, you just press and hold, and then to bring both seats up, all you do is press the button once and they will automatically come up. Obviously fully electric tailgate as well, so just press of a button and that elegantly glides down. But a nice car. So supplied with 2 keys. This is just a 1-owner car from new. Nice service history on there as well. If you'd like any further information, please do give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via, please get in touch and we'll happily travelling the distance. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So we are a 5-star dealer. We've got over or just under 500 5-star reviews from verified buyers, so people who've actually dealt with us. If you were to go through to our Facebook page, you'll see happy customers who've travelled the distance to collect their cars. You'll see the numerous awards that we've won over the years, and you'll also see the level of stock that we actually have here at Alpha Motors. So again, thank you very much for watching. There's myself, Dominic, on sales. There's my colleagues Graham and Lee. Any one of us would be happy to help you. But thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.